sky's still dark outside. But morning creeping close, and these blues still won't let go. Last cigarette before dawn, burning between my hands. Yeah, the smoke curls slow upward, like prayers that never land. And this old Chicago heart of mine still don't understand. Rainwater down the fire escape, dripping steadier than time. Yeah, lonely sirens crying through the edge of night. And every tide blues riff, still trying to hold me tight. Last cigarette blues before the morning comes. Yeah, last cigarette blues still beat like a drum. 'Cause every lonely blues man knows nighttime ain't ever done. I hear the L train rumbling past these broken neon signs. Yeah, steel wheels moaning softly like ghosts left behind. And every mile that train keep moving, take another peace of mind. The waitress wiped the counter, say closing time again. Yeah, but sorrow in Chicago always find its way back in. That's why the blues keep living inside tired-hearted men. Chicago after midnight still run deep as rain. Last cigarette blues still glowing in the dark. Yeah, last cigarette blues like a lonely spark. Guess I'll keep on singing till the night don't leave no mark. Ain't nobody here tonight, just me. my guitar and ghosts of old love. Empty bar at midnight, chairs all upside down. Yeah, that lonely barroom silent on the edge of downtown. Only thing still breathing is this blue sound. Bartender cleaning glasses, like it done 1,000 nights. Throwing pale blue light, and my shadow on the wall there don't look human tonight. Empty bar blues, heavy in my bones. Yeah, empty bar blues make a man hate home. Ever since she left me, this city feels like stone. My old Stratocaster crying through a worn-out tube amp. Yeah, every note keep bleeding like a cold hand trembling damp. And every slow blues shuffle feel like walking through a swamp. Outside that cold wind blowing down Lake Michigan line. Yeah, the rain keep falling sideways like trouble by design. And every drop remind me that she'll never again be mine. head. Yeah, empty bar blues. Sleep beside my bed. Guess I'll keep on singing till these old blues lay me dead. Ain't nobody here tonight, just me, my guitar, and ghosts of old love. Empty bar at midnight, chairs all upside down. Yeah, that lonely barroom silent on the edge of downtown. Only thing still breathing is this blues sound. Bartender cleaning glasses like he done 1,000 nights. Yeah, neon signs still buzzing, throwing pale blue light. And my shadow on the wall there don't look human tonight. Empty bar blues, heavy in my bones. Yeah, empty bar blues make a man hate home. Ever since she left me, this city feel like stone. Empty bar at midnight, chairs. Rain falling hard tonight. Play them low down Chicago blues. Falling on these empty avenue lights. Yeah, neon rain keep falling through this cold and lonely night. Ever since my baby left me, nothing here feel right. Taxi tires keep screaming down these wet south side roads. Yeah, that city keep on moving while my poor heart moves slow. And every blues note I'm playing carry another heavy load. These neon rain blues drip deep into my soul. Yeah, neon rain blues make a broken man feel old. I keep playing for tomorrow, But tonight I lost control. And a full heart full of pain. Yeah, cheap whiskey beside me, while thunder shake the train. Lord, I tried to forget her, but memory fall like rain. The jukebox play on, buddy. Everybody sing along. Yeah, that old blues jukebox know every right from wrong. 'Cause lonely men in Chicago been hurt this way too long. She been? Yeah, if my woman come home, I'll let her walk right in. 'Cause midnight Chicago blues always pull her back again. Neon rain blues still pouring through the night. Neon rain blues under barroom light. I'll keep this guitar crying till the morning shine. Alright. One, two. Play that low down blues, boys. I met my woman down on Maxwell Street. Yeah, I met that little woman down on old Maxwell Street. She had a red dress swinging and trouble in her feet. She smiled like do me wrong. Yeah, Windy City woman, why you stay gone so long? I play these midnight blues now till the break of dawn. Train rolled past my window, moaning low and slow. Yeah, that midnight train keep rolling with nowhere left to go. And every note from my guitar sound like deep black snow. The club still smell like whiskey and old cigarette flame. Yeah, the bartender know me, but forget my name. 'Cause every broken-hearted fool here, oh, look the same. But pain make music stronger. That's the way we live. Windy City woman still haunt my mind tonight. Windy City woman under neon lights, this old Chicago blues keep me alive tonight. Play that low-down blues, boys. I met my woman down on Maxwell Street. I met that little woman down on old Maxwell Street. She had a red dress swinging and trouble in her feet. She smiled like sweet bourbon, but burned like Tennessee rye. Yeah, smiled just like heaven, but burned me alive. Now every night in Chicago, I hear that woman cry. Windy City woman, why you do me wrong? Yeah. Windy City woman, why you stay gone so long? I play these midnight blues now till the break of dawn. Train roll past my window,